This conference will now be recorded.
So all of you take down today's experiment, implementation of multiplexer and demultiplexer using logic gates. Have you all noted? Reply through chat. Have you all noted today's experiment? Yeah, thanks for your response. So already we have seen what is multiplexer in our theory class, isn't it? I think we have seen what is multiplexer and what are the different types of multiplexer, isn't it? Okay, so we are going to implement any one of the multiplexer in our lab class by using Logic. Okay, next we are going to see what is demultiplexer, then how to implement demultiplexer by using Logic. Okay, wow. So these two are the topics today we are going to see. So hope you all noted today's experiment, implementation of multiplexer and demultiplexer using logic gates. So already we have seen the theoretical part of multiplexer. So multiplex is nothing but many input, one output, isn't it? That is what multiplexer. So based on the select case, so I think 2 power n input lines and n selection lines and 1 output, isn't it? This is what your multiplexer. Multiplexer you will have 2 power n inputs, n selection lines, and you will have only single output. This will be called multiplexer. That means many to one. You will have many inputs, but you will have only one output. These are all the topics that we have seen. Just I'm recalling. This is what the general block diagram of multiplexer. You will have n number of data lines. Okay, you will have n number of data lines. You will have only single output. Okay, wow. The select case, okay, I mean select inputs or select lines will decide which input should be connected to your output. Okay, wow. So in the input and the output connect the select lines will decide. Okay, so based on the select line value, any one of the input will be connected to your output. So this is what the concept of multiplexer. This is what the equivalent circuit. Okay, wow. So உள்ள பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு switch மாதிரி இருக்கும். Okay, wow. Inside your multiplexer, you will have a like it will be a switch. So based on this S value, I mean based on this selection line, okay, wow. This switch will connect to any one of your input. Okay, this switch will connect to any one of the input based on this select line. So example வந்து 0 0. So select case value வந்து 0 0 னா the switch may be connected to your D0. Suppose the select line value S0 S1 வந்து 0 1 அப்படினா say example வந்து S0 வந்து 1 S1 வந்து 0 அப்படினா maybe this switch will connect to D1. Okay, so இந்த மாதிரி என்ன ஆகும்னா switch வந்து it will keep on moving based on the select line values. Okay, so these are all the basic concept already we have seen. And you will have different types of multiplexer. Okay, wow. So 1 is 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1 abdina, you will have 2 input and 1 output. Okay, wow. That is what 2 is to 1 multiplexer. So in 2 is to 1 multiplexer, you will have 2 inputs, D0, D1. You will have 1 output and you will have only single select line because small n value is 1. Okay, wow. So in 2 is to 1 multiplexer, you will have only one select line. Suppose select line is 0 na, you will have D0 will be connected to your output. Suppose when the S value when the 1 abdina, D1 will be connected to your output. Okay, wow. So this is what the functional table. So these are all the topics we have seen already. So this is what the implementation. Okay, wow. This is what the implementation of logic diagram. So in our lab class, we want to implement this diagram. Okay, wow. In our lab class, we want to implement this logic diagram by using Logisim. Okay, அந்த diagram வந்து Logisimல வந்து verify பண்ணணும். அதான் நம்மளோட lab experiment. But in our lab experiment, we are going to implement 4:1 multiplexer and 1:4 demultiplexer. Okay, wow. Next 4:1 multiplexer. 4:1 multiplexer, you will have 4 inputs and you will have single output. Okay, wow. So 4:1, it is 2 power 2, nothing but small n value will be 2. It means that you will have 2 select inputs. Okay, well, you will have 2 select input lines. In 4:1 multiplexer, you will have 4 inputs. No, you will have 4 data input lines, isn't it? D0, D1, D2, D3. These are all your input data lines. Okay, well, in 4:1 multiplexer, you will have 2 select lines. S0 and S1 will be your select lines. And you will have only single output. In 4:1, you will have one output. So this is the functional table, isn't it? Okay, but suppose S0, S1, the value of S0 and S1 is 0, 0. Okay, so D1 will be connected to your output. Okay, so output வந்து D0 மட்டும் high ன்னு இருக்கும், D1, D2, D3 எல்லாம் 0 ன்னு இருக்கும். ஓகேவா, so D0 மட்டும் 1 ன்னு இருக்கும், D0 மட்டும் அவுட்புட்ல இருக்கும். ஓகேவா, D0 என்ன வேல்யூ இருக்கோ அது வந்து அவுட்புட்ல இருக்கும். எக்ஸாம்பிள் வந்து next வந்து I am giving S0 வந்து 0, S1 வந்து I mean S0 க்கு வந்து 1, S1 க்கு வந்து 0 னு கொடுத்தா D1 will be connected to your output. D1 will be connected to your output. எக்ஸாம்பிளுக்கு வந்து S1 க்கு வந்து 1, S0 க்கு வந்து 0 னு கொடுத்தா D2 will be connected to your output. எக்ஸாம்பிள் வந்து S0 க்கு 1, S1 க்கு 1 கொடுத்தோம்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க, D3 will be connected to your output. In our theory class, isn't it? 4:1 multiplexer. So this is what the logic diagram. This is what the logic diagram of your 4:1 multiplexer. Okay, you will have 4 data input lines, D0, D1, D2, D3. Okay, you will have 2 select lines, S0 and S1, and you will have single output. So these are all the algebraic expression or Boolean expression for your outputs. Okay, so output nothing but S1 bar, S0 bar, D0 plus S1 bar, S0 D1 plus S1 S0 bar D2 plus S1 S0 D3. This is what your final output expression. Okay, this is what your final output expression. So in our lab class, we want to implement this logic diagram by using Logisim. Okay, in the diagram வந்து Logisimல வந்து நம்ம draw பண்ணி we want to verify the truth table. Okay வா, so listen, Logisimல வந்து what are the things அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, Logisimல வந்து first we want to define the input. Okay வா, first input variables வந்து Logisimல வந்து define பண்ணனும். Here D0, D1, D2, D3, then S1, S0. So these are all your inputs. Okay, so these are all your inputs. So in your Logisim, first you want to define the inputs. Here D0, D1, D2, D3, S1, S0. So these are all your inputs. Okay, இதெல்லாம் inputs define பண்ணிரணும். Output வந்து you will have only single output. அப்ப capital Y வந்து output define பண்ணிரணும். ஓகேவா, capital Y வந்து output define பண்ணிட்டு output expression என்ன, ஓகேவா, இந்த 4 expressions இருக்கு பாத்தீங்களா, இந்த 4 expressions வந்து plus கொடுத்து, ஓகேவா, so plus plus plus. So இந்த 4 expressions-ஐயும் combine பண்ணி ஒரே expression-ஆ, single expression-ஆ வந்து output-ல கொடுத்துறீங்க. கொடுத்துட்டு build circuit-ல கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா you will get the logic diagram of 4:1 multiplexer. Okay, so up to now it's clear for you. Shall we go for Logisim to implement this 4:1 multiplexer? Reply through chat. Up to now it's clear for you. Shall we go for Logisim? Yeah. So if you have computer in your hand, so all of you open Logisim software. So if you are having laptop or computer in your hand, so all of you open Logisim software. Now we are going to implement 4:1 multiplexer by using Logisim software. Okay. So all of you clear? Now we are going to implement 4:1 multiplexer by using Logisim software. So all of you open your Logisim software. So all of you open your Logisim software. Have you all opened? Reply through chat. Yeah, thanks for your response. Just to follow the instruction. Okay, நான் கொடுக்குற instruction வந்து just follow பண்ணுங்க. First என்ன பண்ணனும்? First we want to go to project. Click project. Okay. First all of you click project. Toolbar la project first click பண்ணிட்டு next அப்படியே navigate பண்ணிட்டே வந்து project analyze circuit. Okay, அப்படியே navigate பண்ணிட்டு வந்தீங்கன்னா you can find an option called analyze circuit. Click analyze circuit. You will get a dialog box. Okay, you will get a dialog box, combinational analysis. Okay, wow. So like that you will get a dialog box. So first one there you will have option inputs. First one inputs அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஒரு option இருக்கு. Okay வா. So அதை click பண்ணிட்டு first you want to define the inputs. Okay வா. So first in input நம்மளுடைய data lines are my inputs. Okay, B0, next D1, D2, then D3. So these are all my inputs, input data lines, D0, D1, D2, D3. Next one the S1, give add கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா add ஆகும். ஓகேவா. S1 கொடுத்துட்டு you want to give add. Then வந்து S0, just give add. Okay, so these are all my inputs, isn't it? These are all my inputs for my 4:1 multiplexer. So 4:1 multiplexer you will have 4 data input lines, D0, D1, D2, D3, and obviously you will have 2 select lines, S0 and S1. So once you completed this input section, next we want to go for defining the output. Okay, wow. Next click outputs. So once you completed, okay wow, so input variables வந்து define பண்ணிட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா next we want to go for outputs. So outputs என்ன நம்மளுடைய சர்க்யூட்ல we will have only one output, so capital Y, isn't it? So capital Y is our output. Just give add. Okay, in 4:1 multiplexer you will have only single output, so I'm naming as my output as capital Y. Okay wow. So once if you completed the completed the inputs and outputs, next we want to go for expression. Okay, next expression or option இருக்கு பாருங்க. Just click expression. Expressions click பண்ணிட்டு you can find a label. Output னு ஒரு label இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? Output னு ஒரு label இருக்கா? So அதை click பண்ணுங்க. Click பண்ணீங்கன்னா you can find the output variables. So in our 4:1 multiplexer, we will have only one output, isn't it? Capital Y. Capital Y is our output. Just select capital Y. Next here we want to give the output Boolean expression. Okay, we want to give the output. I mean we want to give the Boolean expression for capital Y. Okay, wow. So I think you all noted in your notebook. First one the S1 bar S0 bar D0 plus S1 bar S0 D1 space plus space S1 S0 bar D2 space plus space S1 S0 D3. So this is what the Boolean expression. Okay, well, this is what the Boolean expression for our output variable capital Y. Okay, so you want to type the output Boolean expression in this box. Okay, well, in this dialog box. So all of you type. So all of you type your output. I mean, type the Boolean expression for your output variable capital Y. S0 bar S1 bar S0 bar D0 plus S1 bar S0 D1 plus S1 S0 bar D2 plus S1 S0 D3. So all of you give this expression in this dialog box. This is what your output Boolean expression. So have you all completed up to this? Reply through chat. Have you all completed up to this? Yeah, thanks for your response. So once you gave your Boolean output expression in this dialog box, just give build circuit. Okay, so up to this the expression கொடுத்துட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா just give build circuit. கீழே build circuit அப்படின்னு சொல்லி you can find one button. ஓகேவா, இந்த dialog boxல bottomல you can find one button called build circuit. அதை just click பண்ணுங்க. Click பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will get another one dialog box. ஓகேவா, you can find on another one dialog box. அதில் just give okay. Okay, you will get another one dialog box like build circuit அப்படிங்கிற nameல you can find another one dialog box. I'll just give okay. You will get again you will get another one dialog box. Okay, just give yes. You will get another one dialog box. You just give yes. Just wait for 3 minutes. Okay, fine. Just listen. Go to project, then click analyze circuit. Then you will get a dialog box. Inputs what are the inputs? D0, D1, add D2, add D3, add. Then you will have another two select lines. No, S1 and S0. Add. So these are all your inputs. Okay. Next, D0, D1, D2, D3, S1, S0. So these are all your inputs already you defined, isn't it? Okay. Output on the capital Y is your output. Okay. Output click. Output click பண்ணிட்டு just Y. Okay, capital Y கொடுத்து add கொடுத்துருங்க. ஓகேவா? Next you want to click expression. Expressionல போயிட்டு you will have only one output variable capital Y. Capital Y expression என்ன? S1 bar space S0 bar space D0 plus S1 bar S0 D1 space plus S1 S0 bar D2 plus S1 S0 D3. Okay. Okay. So once you gave this Boolean expression, we want to click enter. Okay, we want to click the enter button. அப்பதான் சர்க்யூட் என்ன கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகும். ஓகேவா? சோ ப்ரீவியஸா பாத்தீங்கன்னா நான் enter button click பண்ணல. That's why உங்களுக்கு என்ன இருந்துச்சுன்னா input output மட்டும் இருந்தது. ஓகேவா? You can't find any logic gates. ஓகேவா? So once you gave this output expression, ஓகேவா? Next you want to click enter. Okay, please keep in mind you want to give enter. Enter கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா தான் boolean expression இங்க assign ஆகும். ஓகேவா? enter கொடுத்தாதான் boolean expression என்ன ஆகும்? output variable க்கு assign ஆகும் லாஜிக் இல்ல. ஓகேவா? fine. After that you just click build circuit. Okay, after giving enter, ஓகேவா? just click build circuit. You will get one dialog box. Just give okay. You will get another one dialog box. You just click yes. Okay, now you can close this dialog box. Close பண்ணிடலாம். So you can find your 4:1 multiplexer. Okay, you can find your 4:1 multiplexer. This is what the logic diagram of 4:1 multiplexer. Okay, fine. Now we want to verify the result, whether this 4:1 multiplexer is giving correct answer or not. Okay, okay, fine. So all of you take your truth table or functional table for your 4:1 multiplexer. So 4:1 multiplexer la listen, 0 0 னா ஓகே சோ எக்ஸாம்பிள் வந்து s0 ம் 0 s1 ம் 0 னா அவுட்புட்ல என்ன இருக்கணும் d0 மட்டும் அவுட்புட்ல வரும் isn't it d0 மட்டும் அவுட்புட்ல வரணும் சோ எக்ஸாம்பிளுக்கு வந்து நான் d0 க்கு வேல்யூ வந்து 1 ன்னு அசைன் பண்றேன் பாருங்க லிசன் பாத்தீங்களா அவுட்புட்ல 1 வந்துச்சு பாத்தீங்களா ஓகே because in 4:1 multiplexer s0 s1 ரெண்டு 0 0 இருந்ததுனா if the value of s0 and s1 are 0 you can find whatever the value available in d0 that will be present in your output isn't it that is what your 4:1 multiplexer okay suppose I'm making this 0 and I'm making d1 as 1 but again you will get 0 because d0 வந்து 0 இருக்கும்போது d0 ஓட வேல்யூ தான் அவுட்புட் வரும் ஓகேவா so in case of 0 0 for your select case the d0 value will be connected to your output okay fine next case என்ன s0 வந்து 1 s1 வந்து 0 isn't it s0 வந்து 1 s1 வந்து 0 it means that whatever the value available in d1 that will be present in your output isn't it d1 வந்து அவுட்புட்க்கு கனெக்ட் ஆயிடும் so I make பாரு d1 கிளிக் பண்ணீங்க அப்படி d1 க்கு வந்து என்ன வேல்யூ நீங்க அசைன் பண்றீங்களோ அப்ப நான் d1 க்கு வந்து 1 அசைன் பண்ணியிருக்கேன் so that is present in your output okay because select case வந்து s0 வந்து 1 னும் s1 வந்து 0 னு இருந்துச்சுனா d1 will be connected to your output d1 ஓட வேல்யூ மட்டும் தான் அவுட்புட்க்கு வரும் okay suppose d1 ஓட வேல்யூ 0 பண்ணி பாருங்க பாத்தீங்களா அவுட்புட் வந்து 0 ஆயிடுச்சு meaning that s0 க்கு வந்து 1 s1 க்கு வந்து 0 னு கொடுத்திருந்தா d1 னும் அவுட்புட்டும் டைரக்ட்டா கனெக்ட் ஆயிருக்கும் ஓகேவா ஐ மீன் d1 ஓட அவுட்புட் வந்து அவுட்புட்ல வந்து ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் ஆயிட்டே இருக்கும் okay fine now we are going to check the another case என்ன d1 க்கு வந்து 1 d0 க்கு 0 okay another case என்ன d1 க்கு வந்து 1 d0 க்கு வந்து 0 meaning that whatever the value present in your d2 that will be available in your output section isn't it so இப்போ வந்து d2 க்கு 0 இருக்கறனால அவுட்புட் 0 இருக்குது இப்போ நான் d2 க்கு வந்து 1 ன்னு பண்றேன் பாத்தீங்களா அவுட்புட் வந்து 1 ஆயிடுச்சு okay d2 க்கு வந்து அவுட்புட் d2 க்கு வந்து 1 ன்னு சேஞ்ச் பண்ணா if I am changing the value of d2 0 to 1 the same value present in your output meaning that if the select case of s0 0 and s1 1 means that if I am selecting these values to my select case what is the effect in your multiplexer பாத்தீங்கன்னா d2 whatever the value present in your d2 that will be connected to your output suppose நான் d2 value வந்து 0 னு மாத்தணும் அப்படினா you can find 0 over here I mean output section you can find 0 okay so now we are going to check the last case என்ன both s0 and s1 are 1 s0 க்கு 1 s1 க்கு 1 அப்ப என்ன ஆகும் suppose s0 to 1 s1 1 னா என்ன ஆகும் anybody reply through chat what will be effect if I am assigning s0 1 s1 1 ரெண்டுக்கு 1 assign பண்ணா what will be my output reply through chat yeah whatever the value present in our input d3 okay whatever the value present in our input terminal d3 that will be present okay that will be connected to your output okay so as example வந்து இங்க 0 ன்னு இருக்கறனால output 0 ன்னு இருக்கு suppose I am changing 0 to 1 ன்னு change பண்ணா output என்ன ஆயிடும் 1 ன்னு change ஆயிடும் okay this is what your 4:1 multiplexer you are having 4 inputs based on your select case okay based on your select line value any one of the output will be connected to your output or any one of the input will be routed to your output okay so this is what the implementation of your 4:1 multiplexer by using Logisim software okay so based on the select line value suppose I am giving select line value s0 as 1 and s1 as 1 I'm getting okay I'm having d3 okay this is my input variable d3 this d3 will be present in your output section Okay, this D3 will be connected to your output section capital Y. So based on these select line values, okay, so you can change from 0 0 to 1 1. Okay, so say example I'm giving S0 as 0 and S1 as 0. So I'm giving D0 as 1. Okay, what will be the result? You will get 1 because this D0 will be connected to your output. Okay, D0 will be connected to your output. Why? Because in select line you are having S0 as 0 and S1 also 0. Okay, so both the values of select lines are 0. So your D0 value will be connected to your output. So if you keep on changing this select line values, these inputs, okay, the input lines will your inputs will also get changed and you will get different outputs. So hope you all completed up to this, isn't it? Reply through chat. Have you all completed? Have you all verified? Have you all verified your truth table by using Logisim software? Reply through chat. Yeah, very few students are replying. Others, yeah, thanks for your response. This is very simple. Okay, this is very simple. You can verify any kind of logic diagram by using Logisim software. Okay, if you're having any circuits related to digital logic system, okay, you can verify that diagram by using Logisim software because this software is very user friendly. Once you define the input and output, after you are giving your output expression, directly it will give you the circuit. Okay, directly it will give you the circuit. After you will have your truth table. No, so the truth table வந்து நீங்க apply பண்ணீங்கன்னா you can verify your result in the output section. So it will keep on changing from 0 to 1 based on your truth table. Okay, based on your input and truth table. So hope up to this you are clear. Shall I go for next topic, multiplex, demultiplexer? Reply through chat. Have you all clear up to this? Yeah, thanks for the response. So dear students, don't unmute your mic. Okay, don't unmute your mic. Okay, just wait for a few minutes. Okay, next, before going to implement demultiplexer, first we are going to see what is demultiplexer and what are all the technical concept involved in demultiplexer. First we will see the theoretical part, then we are going to implement demultiplexer by using Logisim software. Okay, so all of you take down demultiplexer. So demultiplexer is nothing but direct opposite to your multiplexer. நம்ம மல்டிப்ளெக்ஸர்ல என்ன go through பண்ணோமோ அதோட direct opposite. ஓகேவா, நம்ம மல்டிப்ளெக்ஸர்ல பார்த்ததோட direct opposite will be demultiplexer. ஓகேவா, so one to many. Okay, demultiplexer is nothing but one to many. So one அப்படிங்கிறது input, you will only one input in your demultiplexer. You will have many outputs. But இதே பத்தின மல்டிப்ளெக்சர்ல you will have n number of input, you will have only one output. இதே மல்டிப்ளெக்சர்ல. Demultiplexerல direct opposite. Multiplexer direct opposite. So demultiplexerல you will have only one input. Okay, you will have maximum outputs. You will have many outputs or maximum outputs. That circuit, that combination circuit will be called as demultiplexer. Okay, fine. Yeah, demultiplexer is a circuit that receives information on a single line. Okay, single input, and transmit this information on one of 2 power n possible outputs. Okay, so it will convert. Okay, wow. So it will receive only single input, but it will convert it into 2 power n possible output lines. Meaning that demultiplexer la pathinga appadina, if you take demultiplexer circuit, okay, wow. So you will have only single input. Okay, please keep in mind, in demultiplexer you will have only single input line, but output la pathina you will have 2 power n output lines, 2 power n possible output lines, and also you will have select line. Okay, so you will have select line, you will have n number of select lines, you will have n number of select lines. So this is what your select lines, so this is what your output, this is what your output section. Okay, so the pathing appadina it will be like a switch. So then based on your select line value, any the input it will be connected to any one of your output. Okay, any one of your output, that is what your demultiplexer. So based on this select line value, okay, based on the select line value, your input will be connected to any one of this output. Okay, ஏதாவது ஒரு அவுட்புட்டோட கனெக்ட் ஆகும். So எந்த அவுட்புட்டோட கனெக்ட் ஆகுறது அப்படிங்கிறது based on this select line value, based on this select line value. So this is what the concept of demultiplexer. So it's clear for you. So up to now it's clear for you all. Can you able to understand what is demultiplexer? Yeah, thanks for your response. The selection of a specific output line is controlled by the value of n selection line, meaning the so input வந்து எந்த அவுட்புட் லைனோட கனெக்ட் ஆகும் அப்படிங்கறத யாரு டிசைட் பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படினா select line. ஓகேவா, this select line will decide, ஓகேவா, will decide the control of your output. I mean input வந்து எந்த அவுட்புட்டோட கண்ட்ரோல் கனெக்ட் ஆகும் அப்படிங்கிறது will be controlled by this select line. So in your demultiplexer, these are the important points. In your demultiplexer, you will have only one input line. Okay, you will have only one input, but you will have 2 power n output. Okay, well, you will have 2 power n possible output lines. You will have n selection lines. You will have n selection lines. So this is what your demultiplexer. So keep in mind or take a hint in your notebook. Okay, take a hint in your notebook. In demultiplexer, you will have one input data line and 2 power n output lines, n selection lines. So while you are studying for your examination, you just compare and study. Okay, wow, multiplexing, demultiplexing, compare panni just go through. Okay, you compare panni படிச்சீங்க அப்படினா it will be very easy. Okay. Next, block diagram. So once you understood the concept of multiplexer, then demultiplexer வந்து ரொம்ப simple. Okay வா, so அதோட direct opposite தான். Okay வா. So this is what the block diagram. So this is what the block diagram of demultiplexer. So demultiplexer la pathina you will have only one input. Okay வா, D in மட்டும் தான் இருக்கும். Okay வா, only you will have only one input. This is 1:2 power n dmux. Okay, this is what general block diagram. 2 mark la கேட்கலாம். Maybe 2 mark la வந்து they will ask you to draw this diagram. Okay, they will ask you to draw block diagram of demultiplexer அப்படினா you want to draw this diagram. It may be asked in part A 2 mark la. Okay வா. So 1:2 power n dmux la வந்து you can find outputs like y0, y1 up to y2 power n minus 1. You will have n number of possible outputs in dmux. Also you will have select lines s0, s1 up to sn. You will have n number of possible select lines. So mux dmux la வந்து select lines change ஆகாது. Okay வா, the select lines won't change in mux and dmux. Only வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா inputs output மட்டும் change ஆகும். Okay வா, mux la வந்து you will have n number of input, single output. Dmux la வந்து you will have only single input, but you will have n number of output. This is what the equivalent diagram of this is the equivalent circuit of DMUX. So you will have single input. This is like a switch. Okay, with the switch inside this circuit. Based on this select line value, the switch will be connected to any one of your output. Okay, but this DN will be connected to any one of your output. Okay, so that will be decided by this S value. Okay, that will be decided by the S value based on this select line value. Say example select line value 0 0 na, say example, okay, example 0 0 na, D maybe your input D in may be connected to your Y0. Suppose select line value 0 1 abdina, say example your input, okay, your input may be connected to Y1. Okay, say example 1 0, okay, select line value 1 0 abdina, your input may be connected to Y2. So at a time your at a time input or output or connected. So remaining outputs is 0. Okay, remaining outputs is 0. This is what your equivalent circuit of for general demultiplexer equivalent circuit. So up to now it's clear for you. Reply through chat. Dear students, up to now it's clear for you. Block diagram of demultiplexer and equivalent circuit of demultiplexer. Yeah, thanks for response. So you will have different types of demultiplexer. One is 4:1 demultiplexer. Another one is 1:8 demultiplexer. And third one is 1:16 multiplexer. I mean demultiplexer. So 1:4 demultiplexer now you will have one input, you will have 4 output. Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. 1:8 demultiplexer abdina, you will have one input, you will have 8 possible outputs. I mean Y0 to Y7. 1:16 demultiplexer abdina, you will have only one input, you will have 16 possible outputs, meaning that you will have outputs Y0 to Y capital Y15. Okay, up to Y15. So up to Y15, you will have possible outputs of up to Y15. So first we are going to see 1:4 demultiplexer. In 1:4 demultiplexer, you will have only one input and 4 output lines. Okay, so the colon munadi irukkiradhu input, number of inputs, colon appuram irukkiradhu number of outputs. So select lines pathinga appadina select line ku 1:2 power n. This is the formula for demultiplexer, 1:2 power n. So in our case this is 1:4 demultiplexer. Appa small n value enna varum 2 power 2 appadina small n 2. So you will have 2 select lines. For 1:4 demultiplexer you need 2 select lines. So namely S0 and S1. So this is what the block diagram. This is what the block diagram of your 1:4 demultiplexer. You will have one input and you will have 4 outputs: Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. Okay. In 1:4 demultiplexer, you will have single input and you will have 4 outputs: Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, and you will have 2 select lines, S0 and S1. So this is what your block schematic. Okay, this is what block diagram or block schematic of 1:4 demultiplexer. Then functional table. Okay, functional table you will have S0, S1, Y0. S0 and S1 abdina. Suppose I'm giving S0 to S1 to 0 0 கொடுத்துருங்க. Okay, S0 to 0, S1 to 0 கொடுத்தனா, meaning that whatever the data present in my DIN, that will be connected to your Y0. That's why இந்த Y0 1 போட்டுருக்காங்க. ரிமைனிங் என்னவா இருக்கும் காப்பீஸ் வந்து ரிமைனிங் எல்லாமே வந்து இதெல்லாமே வந்து 0 0 0. That's why they have mentioned 0 0 0. Okay, suppose I am giving S0 as S1 க்கு வந்து 0. Okay, S0 S1 க்கு வந்து 0 னோ S0 க்கு வந்து 1, S0 க்கு வந்து 1 னோ S1 க்கு வந்து 0 னு கொடுத்தனா, meaning that data will be connected to, I mean your input will be connected to Y1 க்கு மட்டும் கனெக்ட் ஆகும். அப்போ Y1 ல மட்டும் என்ன இருக்கும், Y1 ல மட்டும் 1 இருக்கும், ரிமைனிங் எல்லாமே 0. I mean Y0 Y2 Y3 எல்லாமே 0. Y0 Y1 Y2 Y3 எல்லாமே 0, Y2 ல மட்டும் 1 இருக்கும். சப்போஸ் வந்து S0 க்கு வந்து 1, S1 க்கு வந்து 1 னோ S0 க்கு 0 னு கொடுத்தனா, my input will be connected to Y2. ஓகேவா, Y2 கனெக்ட் ஆயிரும். அப்போ Y2 ல மட்டும் 1 இருக்கும், isn't it? Y2 ல மட்டும் 1 இருக்கும், ரிமைனிங் வந்து Y0 Y1 Y3 எல்லாமே 0 இருக்கும். ஓகேவா, சோ ரிமைனிங் வந்து Y0 Y1 Y3 எல்லாமே வந்து 0 இருக்கும். சே எக்ஸாம்பிள் வந்து both S0 S1 ரெண்டுக்குமே நான் 1 1 கொடுத்தனா, what will happen, both S0 and S1 both are 1 அப்படினா, this input will connect to Y3. Y3 ஓட மட்டும் தான் கனெக்ட் ஆகும். சோ அப்ப Y3 ல மட்டும் 1 இருக்கும், மீதி Y0 Y1 Y2 எல்லாமே 0. Y0 Y1 Y2 எல்லாமே வந்து 0. So this is what the functional table, okay, functional diagram or functional table of your 1:4 demultiplexer. So can you able to understand, reply through chat, can you able to understand this functional table for 1:4 demultiplexer? Reply through chat. Dear students, can you able to understand this functional table for 1:4 demultiplexer? Yeah, thanks for your response. Next we are going to see the logic diagram. Okay, logic diagram of 1:4 demultiplexer. Okay, next we are going to see the logic diagram of 1:4 demultiplexer. So this is what the logic diagram. Okay, so in 1:4 multiplexer you will have single input. Okay, you will have single input D in. Okay, you will have S1 S1 bar, S0 S0 bar. These are all your select lines. Okay, these are all your select lines. Output in Y0 Y1 Y2 Y3. These are all your outputs. So to implement 1:4 demultiplexer, okay, 1:4 demultiplexer implement பண்றதுக்கு you need 4 AND gate. Okay, you need 4 AND gate and you need 2 NOT gate. Okay, you need 2 NOT gate. You need 2 NOT gate. So S0 to 0, S1 to 0 na D1 மட்டும் present ஆகும், isn't it? S1 வந்து 0, S0 வந்து 1 அப்படினா D1 வந்து present ஆகும் Y1 ல. இதே வந்து S1 வந்து 1, S0 வந்து 0 அப்படினா Din வந்து Y2 ல present ஆகும். S0 1, S1 1 அப்படினா Din வந்து எங்க present ஆகும், Y3 ல present ஆகும். ஓகேவா? So all of you note this Boolean expression. Y0 க்கு Boolean expression என்ன? S1 bar S0 bar Din. So all of you note this Boolean expressions for your output variable. So for 1:4 demultiplexer la input nu pathina Din S1 S0. So these are all your inputs, isn't it? Outputs வந்து Y0 Y1 Y2 Y3. These are all my outputs in 1:4 demultiplexer la. So if you want to implement this diagram by using logism abdina, you want to know the output expressions. So please note, so all of you please note down the output expression. First Y0 க்கு எழுதிக்கங்க. Y0 க்கு வந்து S1 bar S0 bar Din. So all of you note down the algebraic expressions for your output variables. Y0 க்கு வந்து S1 bar S0 bar D in, Y1 க்கு வந்து S1 bar S0 D in, Y2 க்கு வந்து S1 S0 bar D in, Y3 க்கு வந்து S1 S0 D in. So all of you please note this output expressions in your notebook. அப்பதான் நீங்க லாஜிஸ்ல வந்து இம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் பண்ண முடியும். So have you all noted, reply through chat? Have you all noted this output expressions? Yeah, thanks for response. Now I am going to implement this 1:4 demultiplexer by using Logisim. Okay. Okay. So all of you open your Logisim software. Now we are going to implement 1:4 demultiplexer. Okay. So once if you opened, just listen. First click project. Okay. Wow. Next analyze circuit. If you click analyze circuit, you will get a dialog box. Yeah, first inputs. So inputs in a D. First one, D is our one of our input. Give add. Okay, click add and add click பண்ணுங்க. Next வந்து S1. S1 is our input. Click add. Then S0. S0 is also our one of input. Okay, wow. So click add. So these are all my inputs. First, you want to define your inputs. D, S1, S0. So these are all my inputs. First of all, if you define your inputs, D, S1, S0. Next, you want to define your output. Okay, D, S1, S0. These are all your inputs. Next, you want to define your output. So you will have 4 outputs: Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. So you will have 4 outputs: Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. Okay. So enter one by one. Y0 கொடுத்துட்டு add, அப்புறம் Y1 கொடுத்துட்டு add, Y2 கொடுத்துட்டு அப்புறம் add, Y3 கொடுத்துட்டு add. So once you completed defining of your input and output variables, next just click expression இருக்கு பாத்தீங்களா, click பண்ணுங்க. Click பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா you can find your output variables Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. Okay. So first click Y0 click பண்ணிக்கங்க. Y0 select பண்ணிட்டு okay, select Y0. Y0 select பண்ணிட்டு Y0 expression என்ன? S1 bar S0 bar D. Just click enter. Okay, like that. Next one என்ன? Capital Y1. Y1 க்கு என்ன? S1 bar space S0 space D. This is what the output expression for your capital Y1. Next give enter. Next third output என்ன? Y2. Capital Y2. Capital Y2 க்கு என்ன output expression? S1 space S0 bar space D. This is what your output expression for your Y2. Just click enter. That's last one. Third output variable என்ன? Capital Y3. Capital Y3 output expression என்ன? S1 S0 D. This is what your output expression for your Y3. Just give enter. Okay, so now you defined your output. You defined the output expression for all the output variables Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. Okay, so after completing this, just give build circuit. You will get another dialog box. Give OK. you will get another one dialog box. Give yes. Okay, you just close this. So this is what your 1:4 demultiplexer. This is what your 1:4 demultiplexer. Okay, well, fine. Now we want to verify this truth table. Okay, well, we want to verify this diagram by our functional table or truth table. Okay, well, first என்ன பண்ணுங்கன்னா இந்த D0 இருக்கு பாத்தீங்களா, இந்த D0 வந்து just make it as 1. D0 வந்து 1 னு வெச்சுக்கங்க. ஓகேவா, D0 வேல்யூ வந்து 1 அப்படினு சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்கங்க. First change the input as 1 in our input variable. Okay, well, D வந்து 1 னு மேக் பண்ணிட்டு for first case 0 0 அப்படினா 0 0 னா D value will be present in your y0. Okay, well, 0 0 na your D value will be present in y0. Remaining values எல்லாமே 0, isn't it? y1 y2 y3 எல்லாமே 0 இருக்கும். Next s1 வந்து 0, s0 வந்து 1 ஆக்குறேன். ஓகேவா, 0 1 அப்படினாகும் y1 ல வந்து D ஓட வேல்யூ வந்து y1 ல present ஆகும். அப்ப y0 y2 y3 எல்லாமே 0. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் s0 வந்து 0, s1 வந்து 1 1 0 1 0 காம்பினேஷனுக்கு D value will be present in y2. D value will be present in y2. அப்ப y0 y1 y3 எல்லாமே 0 இருக்கும். ஓகே, the last case என்ன, s1 1 s0 1. s1 and s0 both are 1. okay, both are 1 அப்படினா D value will be present in y3. okay, D value will be present in y3. so remaining y0 y1 y2 எல்லாமே 0 இருக்கும், y3 மட்டும் present ஆகும். okay, so இப்ப D value வந்து 1 னு வெச்சிட்டு if you change this select line value, okay va, your output will be changed. okay va, so based on this select line, okay va, in the input வந்து it will be connected to any one of your output. Remaining outputs எல்லாமே 0 இருக்கும். so this is what the logic implementation of your 1:4 demultiplexer by using logic. okay, it's clear for you? reply through chat. It's clear for you? Can you able to understand? yeah, thanks for your response. so we completed the implementation of multiplexer and demultiplexer. so we have taken 1:4 and 4:1. okay, fine. so hope you all understood this concept. The next topic, okay, next one the encoder, that we will continue in the next class. okay, how was today's class? Give your feedback. how was today's class? yeah, thanks for your response. yeah, thanks for your response. Thank you all. okay, we will meet you in the next class. You can leave now.